Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a new bot project that's got just 17 days left until the airdrop. To be honest, I hadn't heard much about this bot, nor had I seen any ads for it, or heard anyone talk about it, except for one person. When I looked into it, I found that the bot had been running for a while, but hadn't been properly advertised. I also discovered that the airdrop is happening soon. The countdown shows just 17 days left. So let's dive in and see what we can do. First, you need to get involved with this bot. Click the link in the description to start. When you open it, press Start or send the word START, and you'll get a prompt to play the game. This will take you to the main interface where you can begin your tasks. To increase your earnings, you'll need to keep tapping the screen. Your progress will be shown at the top of the screen. As you tap, you'll see your earnings increase. There are several ways to boost your earnings, and we'll explore them together. Here's what you need to know. Airdrop Countdown. As mentioned, we have 17 days and 17 hours left. To receive the airdrop, complete all the tasks listed. These tasks are straightforward and anyone can do them. Hourly earnings. You need to earn at least $10,000 per hour to qualify for the airdrop. If your earnings are less, like $5,000 or $6,000 per hour, you won't qualify. But don't worry, it's achievable. I managed to reach 1,000 in just a few hours. With 17 days left, you'll definitely meet the target. Conversion of earnings. The airdrop depends on how much you want to convert. For example, if you have 100,000 and want to exchange 50,000, you can do so. This flexibility will help you manage your earnings effectively. On the home screen, after gathering some coins, navigate to the Mine section, which includes Technology, Lifestyle, and Business tabs. Note that the Battle Champion tab is currently closed, but it might open later, possibly providing more opportunities. In the Technology section, buy cards similar to those in Hamster Combat. Click on a card and select Buy. Opt for cheaper cards with higher hourly earnings. For Lifestyle, do the same. Purchase available cards. The business cards will also be available for purchase as you complete tasks. Now let's tackle the tasks to increase your earnings. Daily rewards. Claim your rewards daily. The first day gives you 500 coins, and the second day provides 1,000 coins. With 17 days remaining, you'll accumulate a significant amount. Invite friends. Invite 10 friends to earn 1 million coins. Share your link with your contacts. Download and check. Download the Smart Wallet app and check in. Simply create an account using your email and return to check in for additional coins. Choose blockchain. Select a blockchain like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, or Solana. This selection is essential for your transactions. Follow on social media. Subscribe to their Twitter channel to earn 25,000 coins. Follow the steps to confirm your subscription. Join Discord. Register on Discord using your Gmail account. Subscribe to their channel and check in to complete the task. Complete these tasks diligently to ensure you qualify for the airdrop. The bot is straightforward and transparent. Make the most of this opportunity. Every free chance is valuable. Thank you for tuning in. Don't miss out on this chance to benefit from the airdrop. Remember, sometimes the lesser-known opportunities turn out to be the most rewarding. Good luck, and I hope to see you in the next video. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.